single day. I'm gonna
Hello, what's up guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ari. I am a graduate student of IPMI International Business School Jakarta, class Executive MBA 2019. So today I want to share you about some key takeaways from Corporate Finance Week 3 sessions which I've noted during the class on last Saturday. On the last session, we discussed about the analysis of securities. The framework of analysis consists of fundamental analysis and then the technical analysis. In fundamental analysis, we learn about the domestic and global economic analysis, also industry analysis, and then the company analysis. In fundamental analysis, we calculate intrinsic value versus market price. The intrinsic value is calculated by investors. It's discounted futures. The market price consensus value by market participants. And then next about the financial statement analysis. We discuss about the profitability, liquidity, activity, leverage, and also the market ratio. And then about the technical analysis, actually we are finding the repeated pattern in the price gap, momentum versus reversal, also the trend, uptrend or downtrend, support and resistance, the gap, common breakaway measuring exhaust gap, the triangle, symmetric or the asymmetric triangles, double bottom, double top, head and shoulders, inverted H and S, moving average, filter rules, and everything. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Special thanks to Professor Sembel, our beloved lecturers and facilitators, and also IPMI International Business School Jakarta. See you on the next video. Bye now.
for the night.